Hi there, Sherry Smith again, the Fundraising Designer. Welcome to part 1 of my mini course, Ultimate Fundraising Success. I have a surprise for you. I've just added a new lesson, a new section to it, so now you're going to get 6 parts absolutely free. Now, how are you going to do that? It's very simple. Part 1 is down below this video, so I want you to print it out, and I want you to carry it with you for the next 2 days, and I want you to read over it as many times as you can. That will help ingrain those strategies in your mind. After 2 days, you'll get part 2. Do the same thing, print it out, carry it with you, and read it over again as often as you can. 6 parts times 2 days. At the end of 12 days, you'll have the entire mini course, and you will have devoured it. You will have absorbed it one section at a time to get the most benefit out of the information. Then at that point, I want you to look at each of your fundraising projects that you do one at a time. I don't want you to take strategy 30 and put it over here and strategy 20 and put it over here. That's sporadically. That's not what I want you to do. You will not get the best benefit that way. I want you to take the checklist of my mini course, my strategies. I want you to take your first project and go down the checklist and apply, consider it a challenge if you want, apply as many of those strategies to project 1 as you can. When you decided you can't put any more on that one, then you go to project number 2. Do the same thing again. Go down your checklist again and see how many you can put on this one. If you do that and apply these strategies diligently to all of your projects, I guarantee, I absolutely promise from the bottom of my heart that you will make more money than you have ever made before while working smarter and easier. Okay? Now, why am I doing this, and why in the world am I giving it away for free when I could be selling it? It's very simple. I believe that we cannot outgive God. No matter what we give, how much we give, or what kind of gift it is, He's going to outdo us every single time. Bob Proctor says givers gain, and that's exactly what he's talking about. So now that I've talked about myself and my gift to you, let's talk about your gift to your organization. I don't want you to ever feel that if you cannot help out financially, if you are not financially secure enough to be a benefactor for an organization, do not ever undervalue your other gifts of time, of talents, of experience. All of these play a part. They're all part of that big pie that all come together along with the financial contributions to make your group succeed, especially in these difficult times. That's why right now, fundraising is more important than ever. So there you have it. My promise to you, the instructions for the course, and a little lesson on the side about giving. I'm Sherry Smith, the Fundraising Designer. I can't wait to hear how your group does with these strategies. Bye-bye.